Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and to add our products into our Shopify store, we need to click here on the product section at the left side. So when you click on it, we will be asked, what are you selling? So either we find products to sell or add our own products right here. So in this tutorial, we will be adding our own products. So click here on add your own products. And from here, we would be able to add the details of our products, such as title, description, and so on. So the first one is title. So in my case, for example, in this tutorial, I'll just go with Sunglass Premium by TK. And also for the description, just a very short one, just for the sake of example. So this is all about Sunglass Premium made by TK, just like that. And after that, after you're done with this, you can now proceed to the media, and you can put here images, videos, or 3D models. But I personally recommend that you put 3D models to give that premium, high quality feel to the viewers, and they could see the product in every angle. So let's try adding some media right there. So in my case, I'll just go and drag this right here. You can just drag this, or you can click this add button right here so that you could browse your storage here in your PC or in your Mac. And now let's go and drag this again so that we can add another one. And there it is now added. And you can also customize the alt text if you'd want by expanding this image right here. But we're not gonna do that because we're just gonna do a quick tutorial right here on how you add your product. So the first here is the pricing. After you have added your media, is you can put a price right here. So in my case, I'll just go put 50 right here, and you could also do it like this one, just like that. It really depends on your product and how you would sell it right here. So this is subjective, but this is how you would put a price on your product. And for the inventory right here, you could actually track the quantity, and you could also edit the quantity right here. But as you can see, that option is not right here yet. So to see that option, you need to save the product first. So click on save, and let's wait for it to get saved. And you want to go back into the inventory, and as you can see, it has now changed right here. So we can now customize how much product is available right here or on hand right here, or you could also change how much is committed right here. So you could change it right here, reason and available right here, and yeah, you can customize this based on what you want. And now for the shipping right here, this product requires shipping if it's not a digital product. But if it's a digital product, then you can just uncheck this right here because it doesn't need shipping. And yeah, if this is shipping, then you could just add it right here, add customs information and so on right here, depending on your product or how you would ship it. And for the variants, you could also add it like right here, like size or color. You can material, style, just like that. So for example, you're adding sizes, so you can click here on size, and you can add values right here, or the sizes. So small so S for small, and another value M, and another one is for large, and another one is for extra large, just like that. This is just for example, or you could just also copy this, and you want to type on done. So you can also add another option. Let's say you want another color. This is now for colors, so you can go for red, you can go for yellow. You can just add another value right here, like that, or black again, just like that. And you're gonna click on done once you're done. And after that, you can just customize it however you'd want, just like that. And the variants right here, you can also see it like this one. This would appear because based on what you have put here in the variants, and you could also edit the price individually right here. And now for the last one is the search engine, and this is how it would look when it is searched in the Google, such as just like this one. So when someone searches in search engines such as Google, this is how it would appear. And you could also edit it if you'd want to right here, and you could edit the URL handle and meta and the page title right here. So once you're done with all of this, you want to go back up right here, and you can change the status to active so that this status or the product would be active and would show up on your store as on sale. And you could also publish this by click here on manage right here and manage sales channels, and you could just select the sales channels that you'd want from here. And yeah, after that, you can just basically go and proceed right here into the product organization if you have that, or the online store if you have a theme template right here, and for the insights and so on. Once you're happy with everything right here, then you can click here on save, and just like that, you have successfully added your product here in Shopify. So when you go back, you can see it right here. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.